that's the thing. You want all of these kids to come in and know that they are important. They're important to us, and we share the love of Christ with them. And that's just such a privilege to get to do, and then to share the gospel with them.
So the reason why I'm helping out with VBS is because I get so much joy out of helping kids get closer to God. They just have a great time overall. Yeah. Okay, yeah, true. What are you laughing at? Me?
Whatever their hands are finding to do, they're doing it with all their might. These kids are exhausted. Pan around here, you'll see some others catching their breath. They got to participate in the process too. And it's just really fun to watch the kids use up all their energy having fun with it. So. Well, behind hands. Go, guys. Give it to your next person in line.
I think the kids should like have some fun and support each other and learn about the rules and spend time with God.
I'm definitely the most talented out of my brothers.
I'm Jacob. This guy's a liar. I'm the smartest. Well, I'll tell you guys something. I'm just the strongest man you'll ever meet. I mean, just look at those big muscles.
Our first night at Bible school started with the creation and how God made everything good. And He created a beautiful world in the Garden of Eden. And then we learned about sin and how Adam and Eve sinned. And sin came into the world. God had to punish them, and they had to leave the garden, but yet His hand was on them as He created for them the animal skins to protect them. And we also heard the story of Cain and Abel.
My name is Dakota Felt, and I like the Citizen of Heaven role because lots of kids like the story.
Okay. Well, my name is Daniel Kreischer, and my favorite night was the first night, and that was the story of creation, and I was Abel. Now, the story impacted me, kind of. It's just interesting to see how, how small sins can lead to big problems in the future.
So our whole Bible school theme is about sin and how God wants to forgive us and bring us back from Him.
Day 3, God is our safe place. And it's a Bible story again. David hides from Saul. And the Bible verse was Psalm 142, verse 5. Then I pray to you, O Lord, I say, you are my place of refuge. This world is broken, and children sense that. And a lot of children walk through that brokenness without the guidance that some of us were blessed to have.
I saw God when I heard birds chirping everywhere.
I saw God during lunchtime.
I saw God today during games.
I saw God in story time.